In this episode, we're gonna read an excerpt from the great Brian Tracy. I think a lot of us, including myself, have forgotten about Tracy. He was one of those old school guy who's still alive, by the way, like Bob Proctor, who's also Jack Canfield. He's the same part of the same clique, and his books are, and he wrote like countless books, and he's really, really good. And I'm gonna read the whole book because the whole book is just 7 pages, but it is a simple list of mental laws. So let's get into it. The 27 Mental Laws of Success by Brian Tracy. Law of Accident. By failing to plan, you plan to fail. Law of Accumulation. Every single thing you do, positive or negative, accumulates. Everything counts. Law of Attraction. You will always attract positive or negative people and circumstances that are in harmony with your dominant thoughts. Whatever you think about, you attract in your life. Law of Belief. Whatever you believe with feeling becomes your reality. You always act in a manner consistent with your beliefs. Law of Cause and Effect. For every effect in your life, there is a specific cause. Everything that happens has a cause. Failure doesn't happen by accident. Success doesn't happen by accident. Law of Compensation. You are always compensated in more than equal measure for what you do. The more you give, the more you have to give. As long as you are doing good things for other people will do good things for you. Law of Concentration. Whatever you dwell upon grows. Whatever you think about over and over grows into your reality. Law of Control. You feel good, positive about yourself to the degree to which you are in control of your own life. You feel negative about yourself to the degree to which you feel you are not in control of your own life. Law of Correspondence. As within, so without. Your outer world is a mirror and reflects what is going on in your inner world. Law of Creativity. All positive change and progress in your life begins with new ideas. Since the supply of ideas is unlimited, your potential is also unlimited. Your happiness, future, success, and longevity depend largely on the quantity and the quality of the ideas that you produce. Law of Emotion. Every decision you make is based on emotion. A stronger emotion will dominate a weaker emotion and will determine your decisions and actions. Law of Expectations. What you expect is what you get. You do not get what you want, but you get what you expect. Law of Expression. Whatever is impressed is expressed. Whatever is impressed into your subconscious for whatever reason and from whatever source, whatever is fixed with emotion and dropped into your subconscious will eventually be expressed as part of your personality, a part of your reality. Law of Forgiveness. You are mentally healthy to the degree to which you can forgive and forget grievance against you. Your willingness to forgive others and to let go of past grievance is the single most important determinant of whether or not you are fully integrated, fully functioning human being. Law of Habit. In the absence of a specific decision on your part to change some aspect of your life, the natural tendency will be go on the same way indefinitely. 95% of what we do is habit. Law of Indirect Effort. In our relationships with other people, we have a tendency to get what we want faster indirectly than directly. Law of Overcompensation. Always do more than you are paid for. Go the extra mile. Law of Practice. Whatever you do over and over often enough becomes a new habit. A new habit takes approximately 21 days to develop. Law of Relaxation. In all mental working, effort defeats itself. The harder you don't try, the better it works. Law of Return. Whatever you contribute in terms of service, you will get back in terms of rewards, tangible and intangible. Law of Reversibility. The objective reality creates a subjective emotional state. If you can create artificially the subjective state, the feeling will trigger the laws of attraction and correspondence and will draw into your life the people, circumstances, and opportunities necessary to create the objective that is consistent with the subjective, the feeling. Whatever you do to raise the self-esteem of someone else simultaneously boosts your own. Law of Service. You will always be rewarded in life in exact proportion to the value of your service to other people. to your customers, your return will always equal your service. Law of sowing and reaping. You always reap exactly what you sow in life, business, and relationships. The quality of your relationships at any given moment is a result of what you have sown in those relationships. Law of subconscious activity. The subconscious mind goes to work immediately on whatever you plant in your mind to bring it into reality. The subconscious mind makes all words and action fit a pattern consistent with your self-concept and your dominant thoughts and goals. Law of superconscious activity. Any thought, plan, goal, or idea that you can hold in your conscious mind on a continuous basis and that you intensely desire or intensely fear must be brought into your reality by your superconscious mind. Whether positive or negative, good or bad, if you hold it continuously, emotionalize it, and visualize it in your conscious mind, the superconscious mind will begin to organize the entire universe of experience around you to draw into your life the people and circumstances necessary to make that idea come true. Law of substitution. The conscious mind can hold only one thought at a time, positive or negative. You can replace a negative thought with a negative thought. Sorry, let me repeat this. You can replace a negative thought with a positive thought. You can replace a thought of what you don't want with a thought of what you do want. Law of use. Whatever talent, ability, or gift you possess becomes stronger and better with exercise. If you don't use it, you lose it. And there you go. Those are the 27 laws of success by Brian Tracy. Hope you guys like it. If you need any clarifications, I know I haven't gone into every laws in great depth because that is what it was written in the book, and that's a very, very concise and very, very straightforward way of talking about the laws, and I love it, and I hope you will love it too. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment, DM me, send me an email, whatever, IG me live, whatever you feel like doing. And anyway, I hope you like it, and I will talk to you